So now in question number 4, the first one is from progressions, some geometric progressions. The third term of GP is 18 and its seventh term is 3 5 by 9. Okay, these two equations are given. Find the 10th term of the GP. So 8, 10, we need to find out. So let us take the given data and find out the 10th term. So when you take this question, first one, let A be the first term and R be the common ratio. Okay, let A is the first term, A be the first term, and let R be the common ratio. Let's take A and R. So this is a common ratio. Now according to the given data, the third term of GP is 18 and seventh term is 3 5 by 9. Third term, so A3, that is equals to 18. So we know AN formula, that is A into R power n minus 1, right? So we know the AN formula in geometry progression. AN is equals to A into R to the power n minus 1. So by using this formula, here A3 is equals to A into R to the power 2, that is equals to 18. So that will be equation 1. And one more is given, seventh term, so A7, that is 3 5 by 9. Now using this, A into R to the power 6, that is 9 3s are 27 plus 3, so 32 by 9. Okay, this is the second equation. Now using this both, let us find out the common ratio first. Whenever you get like this, you should do division second equation by first. So by dividing equation 2 divided by 1, then we'll get A to the power 6, A into R power 6 by A into R to the power 2 is equals to 32 by 9 and divide by 18. So let's take this separately. So numerator is 32 by 9 and denominator is 18. If you simplify, you'll get you can cancel A value, R power 6 by R power 2 is R to the power 4, and this is 9 ones are 9. You can cancel, both are denominators. So 18 ones are, that will get, you can simplify 32 by 9 into 18. You can cancel 16 9 to table and 16 by 81. So R to the power 4 is 16 by 81. Then 16 by 81 we can write 2 by 3 whole to the power 4, because here R to the power 4. Make the power same and equate the bases. Then common ratio, R is equals to 2 by 3. Okay, we got R value. Once you know R value, you can substitute any one of the equation and get A. So first equation is A into R square is 18. Okay. From equation 1, let us take equation 1. According to this, A into R square, that is equals to 18. So A into R is 2 by 3, square is equals to 18. Now from this, then A is equals to 18 into 2 by 3 whole square is 4 by 9. Take this side, 9 by 4. Then you can simplify this. So A is equals to 18 into 9 by 2. So you can cancel this 2, 9. So 81 by 2. Then A value is 81 by 2. This is the first term. Now once you know R value, common ratio and first term, then 10th term is simple. Just you can use the A10 formula. So A10 is equals to A into R to the power 9. So A value is 81 by 2 and R to the power 9. Then R value is 2 by 3. Okay, just we will simplify this, we will get the 10th term, that is 81 by 2 into 2 to the power 9 by 3 power 9, separate it, 2 power 9 by 3 power 9, then simplify this, here 2 power 9 divided by 2, so 2 power 8, and 81 by 3 power 9, so 81 is, we can write 3 power 4, then we get 3 power 5 by cancellations. 2 power 8 is 256 and 3 power 5 is 243. Just you can do anyway cancellations. Then 10th term is equals to 256 by 243. Therefore 10th term they asked find out. So 10th term of GP, geometric progression, that is 500. So here 512, 2 power 8. So 512, 512 by 243. Here I used calculations. Here 2 power 9 by 2 is 2 power 8. And 81 we can write 3 power 4. So 3 power 4 by 3 power 9 is 3 power 5 down. Okay, 512 by 243. 3 power 5. 3 5 times if you multiply 243. Okay, this is the answer. That's it about this. And next question. In the figure alongside, AB is the diameter of circle. So AB is the diameter means this is a semicircle with the center O, and CD is parallel to BA. So these both are parallel. We can use parallel properties. And angle BAC. BAC. So this is a 20 degrees. Find the value of DOC. So DOC. So this angle we need to find out. And DAC. DAC. This angle also, and ADC. ADC. This complete angle. These three angles we need to find out. So let's take the diagram and we'll use the alternate interiors angle, and we just use the properties and let's find out this. Let me take the diagram. Let's find out all this. So semicircle. Let's take the circle. So from this we will take only semicircle. It's half part. And okay. Angle in the semicircle is 90 degrees. There is also the property. So I'm taking diagram. And from the lines, inside is parallelograms. That is from A to D and D to C. And A to O. O is the center point. Okay, O is the center of the circle, and it is AB is the diameter, CD are the points of circle, and these two lines DC is parallel to AO, and join these lines in between. So AB's AOCD is a parallelogram. The diagonals are bisecting each other. If you observe, so AOCD is a parallelogram, and whenever it is the 20 degrees, if it is 20, we should know that whenever two lines are parallel, one is transversal. Okay, for example, these two lines are transversal, then these two angles must be equal. So alternate interior. So if it is 20 degrees, you observe here angle DC also must be 20 degrees. Okay, that is alternate interior angles property. So let me write the steps. So angle CAB is given 20 degrees. Given angle CAB is equals to 20 degrees. Then based on this angle CAB is 20 means you can DC also. And see, okay, from this DCA is also 20 degrees. Okay, and CAB because this is 20. And one more is angle COB. If you observe COB, so this angle should be double, because angle in this, for example, if you take this is a sector, so CB is the arc, this angle is subtending at the center is double angle at the remaining part of the circle. Okay, you understood clearly, right? This is the arc, this angle subtended at the center is double, this should be double and subtended at the remaining part. So if it is 20 means this must be 40. So this is the 40 degrees. And COB, because angle at the center, angle COB is equals to 40 degrees. So the reason is angle at the center. Angle at center is equals to 2 into angle at the circumference, remaining part. 2 into angle at the circumference for the remaining part of anywhere in the circle. Angle at the circumference. Okay, fine. Now, what we need to find out if you observe. Then first one DOC. DOC angle we need to find out. And DOA we got. So DOA is same. If you take this, now this part you observe once. Now angle at the center and is double at the remaining part. So whatever the angle at the center, this also must be 40. Because this side arc, here AD is the arc, this subtended angle at the center is from these two edges remaining circumference. So it's 20 means this also must be 40. So same rule, that is DOA. So DOA is also 40 degrees and reason is same. Same reason you apply for this also. Then once you know these angles, then angle DOC. So DOC we can find out because angle of this straight line is 180 degrees. Observe, angle of the straight line is 180. So it's already 40, 40 is 80 and this must be 100 degrees. Okay, angle of the straight line is 180 degrees. That is DOC. So angle DOC is equals to 180 minus this both 40 degrees you add and subtract. That is 180 minus 80 is equals to 100 degrees. Okay, this angle also you got. Now DOC we need to find out the first question, that is angle DOC. So we got it. So there is the first one and one more is next one. If you observe DAC, see here, where is the DAC? DAC. So this angle we need to find out. So to find out this DAC is nothing but half of the DOC. So DOC. Okay, let me write the given data. Same, only angle at the circumference is equal to half of the angle at the center. That concept only applying. Okay, DOC, so this is total is 40 degrees because this is the arc. Okay, observe. DC is the arc. This angle at subtended at the center. And from the D and C only, D to A, C to A. So whatever it is, it should be half. So subtending at the center is double to compare to the circumference of the remaining part. So if it is 100, this must be 50. Then this should be 50 degrees. That is DAC. Okay, angle DAC is half of the 100 degrees. That is DOC. Angle DOC. So half of the 100 is equals to 50 degrees. Right? Same, angle at the circumference is equal to half of the angle at the center. Same rule. And next we need to find out the third one is angle is over. Angle ADC. ADC. You see here angle ADC. So this angle we need to find out. Just observe triangle ADC. ADC is a triangle. Already this is 50, this is 20. Then remaining is 180 minus this both. Because some of the angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. So one is 50, one is 20. Then angle ADC we can find out. Okay, angle ADC, that is equals to from 180, that both angles you subtract. So one is 50 degrees and one is 20 degrees. Because some of the angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. This is from the triangle ADC. So 180 minus 70, so 110 degrees, right? This is a 110. Very simple. So this is the 110 degrees. Only the three properties. One is angle subtends at the center is double to angle subtend at the remaining part of the circle. And some of the angles in a triangle property we applied. And parallelogram properties. Okay, that's all about this. These are the four angles. So one is 100, second is 50, and third is 110. And let us see the next one. Means fourth one. Use the graph paper as first this question. Plot the points A 3, 2 and B 5, 4 on the graph. So we need to do reflection A, B on the x-axis A dash and B dash respectively. Plot A dash and B dash on the same graph. Then see the angle ABB dash, geometrical name and area of the quadrilateral. So let's draw this on the graph paper. First we'll plot the points. Just reflection axis. Okay. Let me take the graph paper and solve. Okay, so in the graph part, we should take x-axis and y-axis. Fine. Okay, take the center part. Okay, this is the x-axis. And y-axis. So 0 and positive 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, so on. So this is the x-axis. And vertical is y-axis. This side is again similarly -1, -2, so on. Above is 1, 2, 3 positive values, 4, and down is -1, -2, -3, -4, and so on. So the x-axis and this y-axis. Now, so 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit on both axes we are taken. First of all, we need to plot the points A 3, 2, B 5, 4. A 3, 2. X-axis 3, y-axis 2. So this is A. So A is 3, 2 and B is 5, 4. So it is the B 5, 4. This is the first part. On the graph we plotted. And reflect AB on x-axis. On x-axis on a reflection. That means we should know the property. A is 3, 2 and reflection on x-axis. So reflection on x-axis means that is A dash 3, -2. Y-axis sign will be changed. Okay. X-axis will be same value, but Y value sign only will change. That is reflection on x-axis. And B is given 5, 4. This is also same, reflection on x-axis. So then B dash is equals to x value will be same, Y value sign only should be changed. Okay, this both you plot. Then 3, 2 becomes 3, -2. So exactly reflection to x-axis means it should be here. So this is A dash. Okay, 3, -2 change, right? And B is 5, this is B dash 5, -4. These both are reflections. And next, angle ABB dash. Angle ABB dash. Now let us join this diagram. If you join, so we need to find out the angle. So A to B and B to B dash and B dash to A dash. Again this 4 is just to join. And if you after joining, if you observe angle ABB dash, angle ABB dash. So this angle straight line, this perpendicular line is 90. In that exactly half it is. Okay, if you observe angle ABB dash is 45 degrees from the diagram. From diagram, if you observe ABB dash is equals to 45 degrees, and this third one they are asking name the figure. So geometrical name of the quadrilateral, this is a trapezium shape, right? If you observe, because two sides are parallel, the two are non-parallel and unequal, and AB and A dash B dash is also same. So these two sides are also equal. So this is the isosceles trapezium. Therefore, it's isosceles trapezium. So that quadrilateral AB A dash B dash is an isosceles. When non-parallels are equal, then that is isosceles trapezium. Okay, and isosceles trapezium means you know the formula of area for trapezium. So area of trapezium formula, if you apply, that is half into A plus B into H. So AB are a length of the parallel sides. That is, one is A dash plus one is BB dash, and height is distance between them. Distance between them we can take as h. Then one is, if you see the distances, so A to A dash is 4 units and B to B dash is, that is 8 units. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and this side is 4. And distance between them is only 2 units. Okay, just apply the rule. And that is 1 by 2, half into, then one is 4 units plus 8, and distance between the parallel sides is 2. 1 by 2 into 12 into 2. So 2 to get cancelled. Then 12 square units. Right? This is the area of the trapezium. So these 4 questions they asked in the same single. So you should draw the graph clearly. By observing that, we can say the answers of this. Okay, this is about question 4 in this paper. Now let us see in section B, question number 5, and we'll solve these problems now.